This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com, February 4th, 2021. It's going to be a quick educational video. Let's take a look at a stock that has had a substantially big move over the last 12 months. Believe it or not, sometime last February 2020, this instrument was trading at 6 and below. Let's call it about 6 to 7 price range. As of the next 12 months, in the month of February 2021, the stock has gone as high as 297. So the question becomes, how do you become aware of instruments like this? How? I mean, everybody wants to own something like this. I'll tell you how. It's the same method I talk about all the time. Right here. As of April 2020, this instrument was starting to show signs of an amazing impending move. So as of April 2020, and this breakout was right there. That was the first true breakout after a period of many years doing nothing. So you skip all this, years of down to nothingness, and boy, you want to be part of any potential explosive run. So, you heard me say this again. I keep coming back. This is how you know. Links are in the description. The ultimate Muathe Breakout. So over the last 12 months, this instrument has been on fire. And you can see my clients have been introduced to this stock as early as April 2021. And the most recent breakout came about 3 weeks ago, around January 21st. This was also a very successful breakout in June. The ones in late November did not play out because the stock did not break out. But if you missed this other breakouts here in April, June, and in July, these were all for the taking because the entry points were here. April breakout. There was a June breakout somewhere here. I'll show you that on the weekly. As I stated, the November breakout was not successful. No problem. We'll wait for the next breakout. So this breakout here did not play out. Again, no problem. We're going to wait for the next one. And we got that perfectly. Perfectly. And that was recently when it broke out. Just close to 140. As I said, it's trading just under 300 as the current high. Now that's a quick double in 3 weeks. And of course, we all are looking for these types of move. On the weekly, we can see the breakouts again. There's a breakout here in April, right there. There's a breakout in June, as I stated. There's a failed breakout in November. We can call it somewhere here based on the monthly closing high. But not a problem. We wait for the next breakout after a couple of weeks of sideways action. So don't give up on a stock just because it had one failed breakout. Sideways action, setting the stage. And I should say, since most traders don't have the patience, this period was enough to get people out of the instrument just because it was sideways. But what you miss is if you don't watch the breakout there, you have no chance of owning this amazing move here. So, successful breakout in April, bang! Successful breakout in June, bang! Successful breakout January 21st, 2021, bang, bang! And of course, anybody can do this at home, but there are some subtle things that you might miss. Muathe angle of penetration here. Muathe angle of penetration here. Muathe angle of penetration here. RSI power right there. RSI power right there. And on the monthly, take a look at the RSI power. If I have to tell you why, well, take a look at just understanding a simple concept. Simple concept right there. Simple concept right there. It means bullish behavior right here. Bullish behavior right here. This is simple, powerful minimum requirements. So frankly, yes, you can do this at home, but also certain things you might not see. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.